Welcome viewers, in this video you will learn how to change the name of YouTube channel. I have created a YouTube channel for videos and I was thinking to design the single YouTube channel for all categories of videos, but YouTube has changed the rules. So I have decided to dedicate this channel for only tech videos. So I need to change the name of this channel. The old name is John Speaks. This is the old name of channel, but I need to update the name, like John Tech Speaks. I have to add tech between these two words. So for this you have to click on the logo button on the right and you will see the list. Here is the option of setting. Click on this setting and you will see your channel option, and here is a option of edit on Google. Below the channel's name, from here you can update the name. You have to write the new name, so I have to add only one word, TECH, tech. And if to update, click on the option OK option on the right side. And now we have to update the logo of channel as well. So click on the logo option to add new logo, and you have to select the new logo and open. Click on the done option, and this way you will successfully update logo of channel as well. So name and logo have been updated, and here is the option that is actually the notification profile picture uploaded. It will take some time for changing to appear on other platforms or other places. Got it? Let's check the channel, and on the right side you will see new logo and new name as well on the top. So click on your channel option to check further updates. So name has been updated and the logo is also changed. So this way you can change the logo of your channel. So dear friends, if you learned something from this video, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and leave comment in the comment section.